Alright, so welcome back to Fatboy Customs. So, meron tayo dito on Tri-City. So, Yamaha to. And it has a ruby red color. Na reklamo ni Bossing ay merong problem sa knuckle bearing. So, here, tinatanggal natin siya. Okay, to be able to check ano nangyari. And also, sabay na rin daw ang kanyang CVT clean. Okay, so habang tinatanggal ni Kuya Eric ang panel na ito, we have to remove all these front fairings and headlight to be able to access yung kanyang knuckle bearing part. Ayan. So yan, natanggal na natin. Okay. Only to find out na medyo obsolete na yung part. So we have to source kung ano ang pwede nating ipalit. Now, we found out from our supplier na itong knuckle bearing niya is both upper part ng knuckle bearing ng Mio. Okay? So, what happened was we had to buy 2 sets of knuckle bearings just to get the upper portion of those knuckle bearings para mabuo yung knuckle bearing ng Tri-City. Okay, so there you go. So, dito, tapos na. Tinetesting na natin. Okay, including the CVT. Na ibalik na. Yan, nilinis na rin. Para pag binalik natin kay customer, maayos na maayos, malinis, very presentable. Okay, so there you go. Tri-City by Yamaha. Ayan, ganda niyan, no? So, on this one, okay, all goods na to. Release na to for kay customer. Okay, so again, thank you for watching Fatboy Customs and see you on our next video.